Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Shahrukh and you are all welcome to my YouTube channel English Ka Teacher 94. I hope you are all good and fine and happy. God bless you all. Now in this video, I am going to talk about the really very question that I have seen so many people as beginners. They come to me and they ask, can I learn English at home? Now, this is the basic question for English learners as beginners. Just suppose you are a beginner for learning to speak English fluently, and you come to me and you ask me this question, can I learn at home? And I'm sure all of you might have had this question in your mind once in your life. Can I learn English at home? Now, this is one of the basic and fundamental questions that people think in their mind and people ask about it. My answer to this question is yes. You can learn to speak English at home. There are so many ways to learn to speak English at home. Now, for example, I am speaking English to you and I am sitting in my home right now. So how did I learn to speak English fluently like this? Just staying at home. Simple. You have to be interested in speaking English. If you are a beginner and you don't even know how to spell a word, how to speak English fluently, you can start by small words. Now, for example, in front of me, there is a window, a khidki. I know khidki means window in English language. So, on daily basis, whenever I have to say khidki, I don't say khidki, I say window. Now, for example, open the window. Let the fresh air come in. I say close the window. This is so cool. The cool wind is coming in. I cannot take this anymore. Clean the window. Clear the window. Break the window. And so many times I can use this word window on daily basis. Simple. If you know something in English language, so many words, you can use them on daily basis by speaking them. Never speak them in Hindi language. If you are learning to speak English fluently, always tell the people about them in English language. Okay? Now, for example, another example is, I have this door in front of me. I say, open the door. Open the door. Darwaza kholo. Close the door. Now, I know that darwaza means door in English language. So, every time I have to say darwaza, I will say this in English language. Open the door. Close the door. Let the door be. Simple. Let's just say curtain, parde. Parda means curtains in English language. Now, every time I have to speak parda, I will say this in English language, curtains. See, so this is the basic method that you can use to speak or to learn to speak English on daily basis. Everything you know in English language, speak that in English language for better practice. And you have to be interested in learning to speak English. If you are not interested in learning something, you will never be able to do that thing in your life. Never. You will never be able. Okay? Now, as I told you about the word, only one word. Now, let's talk about a big phrase, a whole sentence that we can speak on daily basis. For example, in this video, I tell you one or two sentences to speak. For example, if you are hungry and you want food to eat, you can ask your mother to bring you food, and you can say, "Mommy, I am hungry. I am hungry. Bring me food." Every time you are hungry, you say, "I am hungry. Bring me food." Now, this is the sentence that I am sharing with you, so you learn it. You listen to me very carefully, you repeat that, and you speak it at home. So, this is the answer to your question. You are learning speaking English sitting or staying at home. Okay? So, every time you say, "I am hungry, mom, bring me some food." "Mommy, I am hungry, bring me food." Now, you say this sentence every day to your mother. Every day. In order to learn to speak English fluently. Now, lots of people of you may be thinking that if I say this, if I speak this to my mother will laugh. She will say, "Ha ha, don't try to speak English in front of me. Don't try to be so smart." Okay? So this is the fear that we have in our body, in our mind, in our soul. I already made a video on this topic, so you can go visit my channel and watch this video. And the title of the video tells you, every time I speak, people laugh at me. In that video, I'm sharing things with you, following the problem that every time I speak, people laugh at me. Anyways, so don't think about that. If you say this one time, "Mother, I am hungry, bring me food," that's okay, your mother will like. Second day, you will say, "I am hungry, bring me food, mother." Maybe she may be laughing at you. Third day, fourth day, fifth day, she will stop. Your mother will stop. Your father will stop. Everybody in the house will stop laughing at you instantly. They will not laugh at you anymore. All you have to be is to be confident about English learning, because you are learning to speak English. Because people laugh at you when you speak, this is a thing that stops you from learning to speak English, or stops you from learning to do anything in the whole world. Okay? So take my note and listen to my advice that every day you are hungry, you say, "Mother, I am hungry, bring me food." You say this every day. Okay? And you learn at home. You learn to speak English at home. Okay? So I hope you will remember this sentence, "I am hungry." जब आप भूखे होते हो तो आप कहते हो, "I am hungry." आपको कहना है किसी से खाना लेकर आओ तो आप कहेंगे, "Bring me food." Okay? "I am hungry, bring me food." Now, second sentence is, "Can I talk to you?" Can I talk to you? Now, if you want to talk to anybody, you can ask a permission to that person to talk to himself or herself. Okay? For example, if I want to talk to you, I would say, "Can I talk to you?" क्या मैं आपसे बात कर सकता हूँ? Now, listen to this sentence carefully, because I am speaking slowly in order for you to understand what I am telling you and saying you word to word. This is the only reason I am speaking slowly, so you could understand everything I am saying to you. Okay? So, can I talk to you means क्या मैं आपसे बात कर सकता हूँ? You say this sentence every day to your friend, to your relative, to your father, to your mother, to your wife, to your sister, and to the people around you. So don't worry, people will laugh at you, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, maybe one day they will stop laughing at you. Okay? So first sentence is, "I am hungry, bring me food," and second sentence is, "Can I talk to you?" Okay? In my other videos, I will tell you so many sentences, 30 phrases to speak every day. Maybe I will make a video on that. I have already made videos on those topics: how to speak at home, how to speak at restaurant, how to speak at a school, university, college, how to speak at wedding, and so many places. You can visit my channel and take a look at those videos to learn to speak English fluently. In those videos, I am only telling you how to say this word. So I am saying in those videos, I'm just speaking. All you have to do is to listen and repeat. Listen and repeat. Listen and repeat. This is exactly the thing that you have to do in those videos. Okay? So you will learn so many sentences, and you listen to my sentence, you speak those sentences, repeat after me, And when you are at home or the places that I have described in those videos, you can speak those sentences on daily basis. Now, try to understand this thing. This is a great thing. You can learn to speak English at home just by looking at the videos, just by speaking some sentences that I am sharing with you. How great is that? How beautiful it is. What do you have to do? Nothing. Okay? If you think this is really hard, it means that you don't want to learn to speak English. You're just having this question in your mind that I want to speak English fluently, but I cannot, but I want to learn to speak English. But for learning something, you have to do something. You have to work hard. You have to, be patient. Okay? It takes time. It requires time. It takes hard work to learn something. So for whether speaking in English, language, you have to listen to what I'm saying. If you want to learn to speak English at home, you have to speak on daily basis. If it is about the data, you say, sir, I don't have the data. I don't know what to say. I don't know tenses. I don't know present indefinite. I don't know present continuous. I don't know present perfect or perfect continuous, future and past tenses. I don't know all of that. I don't know modal auxiliaries. I don't know parts of the speech, noun, pronoun, adjective, and so on, blah, blah, blah. These are all English grammar basics. These are all English grammar data. Okay? So don't worry. I will share those data elements with you in my video, in my channel, okay, one by one. I have already uploaded so many videos covering some of those data. For example, in one of my videos, I have covered present indefinite. One of the videos, I have covered present continuous, present indefinite, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. So you can go to my channel and you can take a look at those videos for learning the tenses. Okay, it's about the data, so you will learn the data. But on daily basis, you have to learn to speak English on daily basis just by using some phrases. As I told you before, if you are hungry, you say, I am hungry, bring me food. If you want to talk to me, you say, can I talk to you? Okay? Okay? That's it. So I hope this video is really helpful for you. You like the video, and if you like the video, you know what to do. And I will see you in the next video for a new topic that bothers you, that teases you in your mind, जो आपको परेशान करता है, जो क्वेश्चन इंग्लिश को लेकर क्या मैं ये कर सकता हूँ, क्या मैं वो कर सकता हूँ, उस क्वेश्चन के साथ I will see you in the next video. Till then, thank you so much for watching the video and God bless you.